what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, as you can see, we are going to be showing another wig from CurlsCurls. I do apologize, I lost the footage from the original unboxing, so we're just gonna try to do this again. So you won't see the headband pieces inside of a pack, but I did get the wig. As you can see, it came with this manual. It also came with some extra clips and combs just in case you need it for your wig. And I also received 3 of the headband pieces. Now I'm going to be going throughout the video, and I'm going to show you exactly what the wig looked like, as well as a review and styling. So make sure you stick around for the rest of this video. Alright, so as you can see, this is what we are working with when it comes to the wig. All I'm doing now is just running my hands through it, and as you can see, my hands are smoothly just going through the hair. This is how you know it's some good hair and it's a good investment, when you can really just do this and you get no shedding. No shedding, love. Like, literally, I am in love with this unit already, and I've only had it on my head for not even all of 5 minutes yet. So yes, this is what we are working with. If you wanted to stick to this look, which I absolutely love how natural it looks. I mean, if I didn't even come up close to the camera, you can barely see the actual headband. Like, if I was far back like this just looks like a regular afro. Like, I just took my, it looks like I just took some cornrows out, fluffed my hair out a little bit, and then boom. This is why I love these headband wigs, y'all. As y'all can see, I put my hair back into a ponytail. I have a bun under here. Sleek my hair down with some Eco Styler gel, as well as some Got To Be glue. The Got To Be glue I always use is always going to be the black. For some reason, the black bottle is the only one that works really good with the Eco Styler gel that I use. The yellow, they have a yellow bottle as well. The yellow makes my hair flake, and it actually turns my hair white when it dries. Not sure why, but for me, that's what happens. So this is the one I am always using. This is a holy grail. This is a must-have always. And so I just have my hair slicked back. I barely even really did my edges, and I just put this wig on. You saw in the beginning of the video, I did use a head wrap. I did use a wig cap, sorry. And with the wig caps, you don't really have to wear it unless you want it. My hair was already flat and already back into a ponytail, so I didn't even really need it if I didn't want it. And as you can see, when I went ahead and put the wig on, the Velcro in the back, it is definitely visible a little bit. So when it comes to that, luckily with this wig, I shouldn't have any issues with the wind blowing, because it is, like, you know, a natural wig. It's kind of just sitting on my head. But honestly, I love it how it is now. You wouldn't be able to tell that this isn't my natural hair, because it mimics a natural hair wig so well. And I just love the afro kinky look that it has. I mean, look at the transition. Look at the transition between my naturally curly hair and then, of course, the headband and the wig. Yes, I love it. These headband wigs, I'm telling y'all probably gonna get so tired of me raving about them, but they are everything. You have to get your hands on one, I promise you. It's literally the ultimate throw it on and go. Nothing beats this at all. And so of course with these, this is human hair. You could definitely dye it, you could straighten it, but of course, because I want to show you exactly how it looks once the hair is defined, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to also show you exactly what the wig looked like with the headbands. And I know I get a lot of questions with a lot of people asking me about the decorative headbands. The decorative headbands, as you can see in the beginning of the video, I showed you exactly how the package was packaged and the way that it was came to me. So I did get the decorative headbands inside of my box, and I do believe that when you go on your website, when you go on their website, they do give you the option to choose which headband piece you would like. However, you don't really have to buy a headband piece if you don't want one. As you can see, this right here, it already comes with the headband piece. It comes with the black standard headband piece already attached. So if you wanted to wear the wig like this, you can. You don't have to do the decorative headbands, but again, it just gives you the options for you to see the versatility of this actual wig. I'm going to leave all of the information down in the description box below, so stick around for the rest of this video so you can see exactly how this looks with the curls already defined, and then what the wig looks like with the headband pieces.